5 seconds. Start. Typhoid cases. Para. Issues of public health and quality of life are relegated to the margins in Pakistan. Full stop. This is the primary reason why there have been reports of over 200,000 typhoid cases in Sindh in the first 10 months of the recent year. Full stop. These include cases of the dangerous, extensively drug resistant, or XDR, strain of the waterborne disease. Full stop. According to the health experts, this paper spoke to, while typhoid cases have been reported from across Sindh, 70% to 80% of the cases from Karachi are of the XDR strain. Full stop. Moreover, the situation in the flood affected areas is believed to be worse, as these regions are in the grip of waterborne diseases, amidst other health and sanitation challenges. Full stop. The XDR variety is particularly of concern as, true to its name, it tends to resist most antibiotic treatments. Full stop. The strain was first traced in Pakistan in 2016 when an outbreak began in Hyderabad, and has since become a major challenge for medical professionals. Full stop. There are several ways to counter the threat posed by all variants of typhoid that experts, including the WHO, recommended. Full stop. Many of these are long term, such as improving health and sanitation facilities, as well as providing clean drinking water. Full stop. But to tackle the disease immediately, it has been proposed that children under 15 be vaccinated against typhoid. Full stop. Moreover, in order to contain the XDR strain, firm steps must be taken to curb the rampant overuse of antibiotics in the country. Full stop. Medical professionals need to be made aware of the fact that antibiotics should not be prescribed for minor ailments, while the sale of these drugs, without a doctor's prescription, must be banned. Full stop. Awareness campaigns against self-medication are also required. Full stop. To reduce the burden of typhoid and other waterborne, preventable diseases, the state needs to provide better sanitation facilities and safe drinking water to the public, while initiating extensive vaccine drives. Full stop. If the XDR strain is not addressed with seriousness, a new public health nightmare awaits Pakistan. Full stop. Para. The court also made the helpful suggestion that we should have special homes for such abandoned children where they can be protected and looked after. Full stop. It is inexcusable that such facilities do not already exist. Full stop. Have we learned nothing about the need for proactively protecting our children against some of the worst forms of violence perpetrated by human beings question mark. Important strides were made through the Zainab Alert, Response and Recovery Act of 2019, which was meant to reduce kidnapping, quickly recover children and also increase awareness about the dangers they face full stop. However, its implementation has left a lot to be desired full stop. It is imperative that we introduce our children to concepts like stranger danger, good touch, bad touch at a very early age as a minimum means to ensure their safety full stop. The government must launch a nationwide awareness campaign regarding this menace and educate parents and guardians to protect their children and wards against the dangers they face full stop. Para crop losses. Para the lingering economic impact of this summer's calamitous floods, which have hurt the country's rice, cotton and wheat output, has started to show full stop. Last week, this newspaper had reported that the country's cotton production had dropped by more than 40%, mainly on account of the floods and climate change full stop. The rice harvest is projected to be at least 10% less than last year's crop full stop. The deluge has affected soil conditions to such an extent that wheat plantation has become difficult in many places in Sindh full stop. The next wheat harvest could see a considerable drop in cereal production full stop. In short, flood damaged crops will force Pakistan to increase its food and cotton imports to make up for harvest losses at home full stop. The impact will also be felt on rice and textile exports full stop. More imports and fewer exports are hardly something Pakistan's dollar starved economy can afford, as it will put greater pressure on the current account full stop. Though the state bank governor is hopeful that pressure on the declining foreign currency reserves will largely be offset by the falling international oil and commodity prices, many analysts fear the current account deficit will full stop the end.